I'm Dr. Binu. In Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Fundamentals subject, the third topic in the second unit is Minimax algorithm or Min-Max algorithm. What is meant by Min-Max algorithm? This algorithm claims to be a recursive or backtracking algorithm that is responsible for choosing the best optimal move in the conflicting environment. The min-max algorithm operates on a tree structure known as the game tree, which is the collection of all the possible moves in the corresponding game states in a given game. The game tree's leaf node accommodates all the possible moves. The game state denotes the current board condition. With every single move, the game state changes and the game tree gets updated height-wise. When visualized, this game tree often resembles an inverted tree with the root representing the current game state and the branches representing possible moves. This algorithm simply works by proceeding down to the tree until it reaches the leaf node, and then it backs up the min-max values through the tree as the recursion unwind. The prime motive of the min-max algorithm is to maximize the chance of winning for the maximizer. In the game tree, every node is assigned weights that influence the chances of winning. The higher the weights, the higher the chances of winning. That some of the terminologies in the min-max algorithm are min-max tree. A tree structure shows all possible moves and game states in a game used by min-max to find the best move. Max or maximizer, it seeks favorable outcome in games by maximizing chances of winning for themselves as a players. MIN, minimizer, it reduces the winning chances, making moves leading to least favorable outcome for the maximizer in games. Initial state, starting state of game board representing the configuration at the beginning of the game. Terminal state, terminal states are the final outcomes of a game board resulting in either win, loss or draw. Heuristic evaluation function evaluates game states for maximizer, assigning numerical values to each game state based on piece position, material advantage, and board control. Um, if you're assuming the maximizer transfers to left where it reaches the minimizer node, the minimizer has the responsibility of selecting the optimal value and chooses between two values, that is among 2, 5. The objective of minimizer is to minimize the maximizer score, so it chooses the lowest value. The value 2 is then passed to the root node so that it can be compared later when the player earns an optimal value when he traverses to the right side of the game tree. For example, here the leaf nodes are represented as 2, 5, 1, 9. We have to start from the left. The first circle, the one which is very closer to the roots nodes, are represented as min. The above layer is considered as max. First, we have to choose the minimum value among 2, 5. We already know the minimum of 2, 5 is 2. So, we have to put a 2 value in the circle which is in the left side of the minimum position. Then we have to represent the 2 value in the max position. Then again we have to compare the minimum value of 1, 9. The 1, 9 value is the minimum of 1, 9 value is we already know that is 1. So we have to represent 1 in the second circle which is in the minimum position. Then the next layer is we have to compare the maximum value of the two minimum values which we recently calculated. That is the two minimum values are 2, 1. Now we have to calculate the maximum among the two. So we know that is the maximum of 2, 1 is 2. So we have to represent 2 in the root node. Thank you.